Wow, this place looks big. I haven't shopped here before.
Yeah, it's new. They have everything. Fresh fruits, snacks, even bakery items.
Great. I have a short list. What about you?
I do too. I just need some vegetables, bread, and eggs.
Let's get a basket first.
Good idea. Or maybe a cart. I think I'll end up buying more than I planned.
Classic grocery mistake. All right, let's start with vegetables.
Sure. I need tomatoes, onions, and carrots.
I need some spinach and potatoes. Oh, look, these tomatoes look fresh.
Yes. Do you think 1 kilo is enough?
That's good for a few days. I'll also take some.
Done. What's next?
I want to buy some fruits. Let's go to the fruit section.
Nice. I need bananas and apples. What about you?
I'll take some oranges and grapes. Oh, wait, are these seedless grapes?
Let me check. Yes, seedless. Sweet and easy to eat.
Perfect. Okay, now I need some bread.
Me too. White bread or brown?
Brown bread. It's healthier. And what about milk?
Good reminder. I need a pack of milk and some yogurt.
I love strawberry yogurt. Let me find it.
Got it. Here's the dairy section. You take the yogurt, I'll grab eggs.
Don't forget the large eggs, not the small ones.
Yes, a large tray. Got it.
Hey, Marco, do you need snacks?
Okay. I'll take some chips. Let's treat ourselves.
Yes, I'll grab some biscuits. Oh, should we buy something to cook for dinner?
Why not? Pasta.
Sure. Let's take pasta and some pasta sauce.
I have cheese at home. We can cook together.
Fun. I'll bring garlic bread.
This grocery run turned into a dinner plan. I love it.
Me too. All right, I think we're done. Let's go to the checkout.
Yes, let me help you put everything on the counter.
Thanks. Oh, wait, I forgot soap. Be right back.
No worries. I'll wait here in line.
Got it. Now we're ready. This was actually fun.
Grocery shopping with a friend is always better.